Welcome back, Mick in Austria, to your Cable Data Science channel. Today is Sunday, March the 21st here in America. Get ready to run both the COVID-19 vaccine and rollout report and also the daily COVID-19 analysis report. Okay, before we get started, folks, my friends in Austria, be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and also be sure to click on like, and thirdly, most important of all, be sure to click on the share button. Share this report with one friend and one family member today. Okay, let's get on to let's start with the with the with the vaccine analysis. This is quite good. So this is the total doses administered. And that is 1.23 million doses have been administered in Austria so far. In terms of people receiving one shot, so far, 928,000 people have received at least one dose, and 311,203 have received both doses. Excuse me. Now, the number of people vaccinated so far in Austria receiving one shot is 10.3%. The number of people receiving both shots, 3.4%. Now, one source I read said this number here has to reach close to 50% before we start seeing any real change in the numbers. Okay, so that concludes the first part of today's double feature. Now let's get back to the main report. Okay. Also, what we're looking for is for the vaccine numbers to continue to climb. That's really what it comes down to. Okay. So you can see currently Austria's had 511,440 cases, 9,052 deaths. Your mortality rate is basically flat. This is 10%. This is 5%. So your mortality rate on average is below 5%. Unfortunately, your cases are trending back upward, which isn't a particularly good situation because you bottomed out here on February 4th, and now you're starting to climb up again. What about the deaths? Deaths are more interesting here. It does appear as if deaths are trending back up also, unfortunately. What about weekly cases? Well, you can see here, I guess if we're looking for good news, we could say that this is the lowest number of weekly deaths since all the way back over here. Okay. This is an increase. It hasn't caught back up to these numbers here yet. Cases. What about deaths? Well, if you ignore this little blip right there, you can see you had a pretty nice run here, decline going on in weekly cases or weekly deaths. I'm sorry. This, of course, is monthly cases, and this is monthly deaths. All right. So if there's any good news, it's like the larger trend that does seem to be declining for cases, maybe even deaths, but not really. But all the cases and deaths are beginning to show a trend back upward in the numbers. Okay, Austria. So that concludes your report for this week for Sunday, September 21st, 2021. Thanks so much for stopping by, Austria. And if you happen to know Mick, be sure to tell Mick Dave Jackson sent you. Okay. And also, don't forget to click that share button and click and share this video with one family member or one friend today. Also, be sure to click that subscribe button, and last but not least, the like button. Okay. Thanks so much, Austria. We'll catch you on another report.